Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get logged out of your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access your Instagram app, and right afterwards tap on this profile icon given in the below right corner. Now you will find this kind of interface, right? So for the sake of logging out, you have to tap on this three horizontal line on top. Tap on this option of settings and privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on this option of logout. Again, confirm, and you have been logged out of account like that. If you would like to re-log in, all you have to do is again access your Instagram app, tap on your account. If you have saved your information on your device, you will be able to log in without additionally adding any of the information like your username, your password, and anything. So that is how you can log out and log in. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.